Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check for updates on the Steam application. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to remember that every time you open up the Steam application, it automatically checks if any update is available. So there is particularly no need to check for updates manually. But if you already have the Steam application opened up and you wish to update your application, then you can simply click on the Steam menu at the top left corner and then click on Check for Steam Client Upgrades. This will then check for the client updates that are available, and then if it is available, then this will begin the installation as well. But if your application is already up to date, then you will receive this notification, which basically means that your application is already updated. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update your Steam application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.